What if I say there is a secret no-effort tool with a realistic earning potential of $50 to $500 passive income daily? Hello hustlers, another video, another secret to get money on board. Today we will be analyzing a too-good-to-be-true AI tool named AI 3D VFX Maker, a software that lets you create and sell jaw-dropping 3D VFX videos to businesses, influencers, or simply with YouTube Shorts. No filming, no editing, no experience needed, just render and profit daily from high-paying video gigs and licensing deals. As unbelievable as the claims might sound, but the features back each and every word. Here's how. Render and profit instantly. Create stunning 3D VFX videos in minutes. No filming, green screen, or editing skills needed. Earn every day. Charge $50-$200 per project by selling to YouTubers, influencers, and businesses who need pro-level effects. No experience needed, zero tech skills, no learning curve. Just pick a template, render, and deliver. Passive income sorted. License your VFX clips or offer pre-made effects packs for repeat sales. Automated income 24/7. One-time fee, no monthly tools, plugins, or subscriptions. Just one payment for unlimited usage. Even the newbies are claiming AI 3D VFX Maker creation and selling process a cakewalk. Here is why. Step 1. Select and render. Pick a done-for-you 3D VFX template and customize it in a few clicks. No filming, no editing, no green screen. Step 2. Export and deliver. Render your high-quality VFX video and deliver it to clients or list it on marketplaces like Fiverr, Upwork, or YouTube. Step 3. Profit daily. Charge $50-$200 per project or sell your VFX packs repeatedly. Create once, earn forever. The best part? The app is priced at just $14.95, a one-time payment, no monthly subscriptions. Plus, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If it's not what you expected, simply request a refund, no questions asked. So, is AI 3D VFX Maker worth an investment? If you want to earn passive income by creating jaw-dropping 3D visual effects without any editing skills and make up to $500 daily by selling them to clients or on platforms like YouTube, then AI 3D VFX Maker is the tool to get started with right now. Anyways, this deal won't last forever and prices may rise soon. So, if it sounds like your thing, grab your access now at the best price. Links in the description.